Okay, you must forgive me. I have my wife holding the camera. Say hello, Sue.
Hi.
Righto. Okay. So we're up here at my dam because it's autumn. We've had 60 mil of rain. We left it too late to go out and get some yabbies in some waterways that we know of. So I've thrown the nets in here last night and in a desperate plea to get some. So we'll see how we go. Oh, there's a couple in there. A couple of nice ones. That'll do. Okay, let's see if we get any more. Now, you've still got to check your state rules and laws on opera house nets. This is a privately owned dam. There's a couple more nice dark yabbies. We're going to cook them up with some garlic and mushroom sauce. Whoa, I don't know what we got here. Oh, a redfin. That's a bit towy. Get him out. Not a bad little fish. Got to watch the gill rakers on these. Yeah, not a bad little redfin. I bring my granddaughters up here with their rods and they throw them in. The ecosystem must be working well. He's not a bad little baby. Alive and kicking. Just get these yabbies out. I just put a couple of old chops in these nets. That's what they look like, no eggs in them, so they'll be beautiful to eat. We'll go and pick some mushrooms. I've seen some mushrooms up my driveway the other day. We'll go and pick them and we'll make a nice mushroom and garlic sauce and we'll cook them up.